Alright guys, today we're going to be skip counting by fives, tens, and hundreds. So we know that when we're counting by fives, tens, and hundreds, we can use something like what we have here, which is a number chart. So we know that when we're counting by fives, we're simply starting at one number and counting five more. For example, if I start at 205 on my number chart, I'm going to count five more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that puts me at 210. If I wanted to continue counting by fives, I would count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. And that would give me 215. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 220. I could continue this same pattern all the way through my number chart to give me 225, 230, 235, 240, 245, 250. Now let's pause for a second. Does anyone notice a pattern here in our ones place and tens place? I'll give you a second to think. Good. If you said that you notice in the ones place, it's either a 5 or a 0, then you're correct. Those are the numbers. The 0 or the 5 is what you're going to see in the ones place when we're counting by fives. Let's look at if we're counting by tens here. Let's say that I start here at 210. If I wanted to go up 10 more, I would go up 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That would put me at 220. If I wanted to continue counting by tens, I would do the same thing and count 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. I would continue on with the same pattern all the way down my number chart. Good. Now notice in the ones in the tens place here, our ones is always a 0. And as we're moving up, our tens place is getting 10 higher. Now, if we take a look at the beginning of our chart, our first number is 201. We know that 200 is the number that comes before that. So if we started at 200 and we counted all the way down this chart, we would count to 100 when we got here, and that would give us 300. And we know our next number would be 301. All right, now let's look here. It says see and show. Number patterns can help you count. In these patterns, each number is more. So if we look here at the bottom of the ladder, because we always start at the bottom and work our way up, we have 545, 550, 555, 560. And it says count by fives, each number is 5 more. So we see we have that 5 and 0 in our ones place. And our tens place is getting 10 higher as we move up. Now, when we're counting by our tens here, we have 545, 555, 565, 575. And that tens place is what's changing here because we're counting by tens. Then over here, we have our hundreds, and we're going 545, 645, 745, 845. And we see that our number is getting higher by 100. So it says write the missing numbers, then write the counting pattern. So if we look here, it's already highlighted the number for us that's changing. So we see that we have 340, 350, 360, blank, and 370. So if you said that you thought that the number that goes in the middle is 370, you are correct. And notice it's counting by tens because that is our place that is changing. Okay? Look over here. We have 575, 580. What would come next? You're right. 585. Then 590. Then 595. And we're counting by